Thank you. If this is truly a two-way negotiation, what is the EU prepared to give or give up for the UK?
But the question is, the negotiation is within the framework of Article 50. So it's a question of we have to make a settlement on the finances, we have to get the citizens' rights okay, and it's not a question of a trade-off in the sense, oh, by the way, if you give in on this, we're going to be more...
well, I'll rephrase it then. What areas
in that way, it's not a
compromise?
classical negotiation, okay, like between two political parties, for example, okay, sitting around the table to make a government and to give in on their principles. And they expect it from both sides that they are doing it, otherwise they cannot make a government. So it's not that. It's not a classical political agreement. It's a country leaving the Union. We have to do that rule-based on the way it is described in the treaty, and we don't want trade-offs in the classical political sense. Also, we have indicated, as a second example to give you, that we will never accept a trade-off, for example, between, oh, we're going to give you a good cooperation from the British side on internal security and on external security if you give us a good deal on trade and economics. We will never accept that. This is not a classical political trade-off, dealing and wheeling between political parties.